Unfortunately, a lot of animals put themselves at risk of dying quickly for one reason or another. This could occur as a result of hunting, grazing, climatic changes, and deforestation. And it is for this reason that it is said that animals run the risk of killing humans. But which animals should be preserved at all costs since they are most at risk of extinction? 10. Tiger. It seems almost unbelievable, yet there is one species that is not endangered and is already slowly but unavoidably sundering. That animal is the tiger. Less than 3,500 examples are known to exist on a global scale, and because of this, we can confidently state that tigers are among the animals most at risk of going extinct in a very short period of time. 9. Giant Chinese salamander. Another species that unfortunately is becoming less and less common to see is the giant Chinese salamander. This is because to the year of utter debauchery that it is currently experiencing. This observation is due to the fact that salamander is being used as a tabula rasa in China, where it is being distributed for dietary purposes. 8. Mountain gorillas. Since there are currently just a few thousand mountain gorillas left, they are going through a severe crisis. Even via reproduction, it will be very impossible to resurrect the species. Therefore, these animals are also slowly on their way to extinction. 7. Sumatran elephante. The name comes from the elephant's only known habitat, the Indonesian island of Sumatra. It is impossible to find the elephant anywhere else. The huge decline in its population has significantly decreased the number of examples it has. Everything that has happened has to do with the loss of their environment and the deforestation of the palm oil plantations. 6. Saola. The saola is a very well-liked animal that has piqued everyone's curiosity because of its long horns. It is sometimes referred to as Asian unicorn, yet sightings are now steadily declining. Unfortunately, there are currently less than 500 examples, leading one to believe that they are no longer in use. 5. Vaquita. A species of porpoise called the vaquita is unique to Baja California, Mexico, at the northern tip of the Gulf of California. It is the smallest extant cetacean, with a maximum body length of about 150 cm. The IUCN Red List has the species classed as critically endangered, and it is on the verge of extinction. The bycatch in gillets from the illegal Totoba fishing is the main cause of the species' sharp drop in abundance. 4. Polar bear. The polar bear, sometimes known as the Ursa bianco, is a large carnivorous mammal that belongs to the Ursidae family. It is a species that lives near the Arctic Circle in the Arctic Sea Glacier and, along with the Kodiak orca, is the largest terrestrial carnivore on Earth. 3. Monarch butterfly. The monarch is a member of the American-born Nymphalidae family of farfalls, probably the most well-known fairy in all of North America. The monarchy is the national inset of the states of Alabama, Idaho, Illinois, and Texas, and the national outfall of Minnesota, Vermont, and Western Virginia. It was selected as Insetto Nationale for the United States of America in 1989. 2. Leatherback turtle. Strong and quick-moving neodater that is lively and can become aggressive when molested. Probably has been alive for 50 years. Deposit between 50 and 150 eggs each time between the start of the school year and midnight. The eggs are almost spherical, with a soft shell, and are deposited in wells that are at least a meter deep. It is repeated every 2-3 years. After 50 to 70 days, the little ones, which are 5 to 6 cm long and weigh about 35 g, begin to appear. The mortality rate for children is very high. Just 1 or 2 children out of every 1,000 are still alive at the end of their first year. It eats large meduses and sporadically fish, crustaceans, and echinoderms. 1. Rhinoceroses. The rhinoceroses are a family of ungulati in the Parasitidae order. This includes 5 living species, 2 African and 3 Asian, collectively known as rhinoceros, that are distinct from one another yet have several characteristics that make them easily distinguishable from other animals.